Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop and preventing any static damage to the internal components. Start by powering off your HP15s-eq and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will help prevent any accidental power-ups during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the screen connector, which is typically found near the hinges. Carefully disconnect the screen cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional clips or screws that may be holding it in place. Now, turn your attention to the front of the laptop. You will need to remove the bezel surrounding the screen. This is usually held in place by clips, so use your spudger to carefully pry it off. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the bezel. Once the bezel is removed, you will see the screws securing the screen to the laptop frame. Remove these screws and keep them safe. After the screws are out, gently lift the screen away from the frame. Be mindful of any remaining cables that may still be attached. At this point, you can clean the internal area of the laptop using a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and cleaning this area can help improve airflow and performance. Now, it's time to install the new screen. Align it with the screw holes and carefully connect the screen cable back into its socket. Ensure it is securely connected before proceeding. Reattach the screws to secure the screen in place, and then replace the bezel by snapping it back into position. Make sure it fits snugly and that there are no gaps. Finally, replace the back panel of the laptop, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Reinsert the battery and connect the power supply. Power on your laptop to test the new screen. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as collection and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the screen on your HP15s-eq laptop. Enjoy your newly functioning device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.